Woodburn China podcast with me, Christina Kohler-Coluccia, from Woodburn Accountants and Advisors. Our daily episodes on solving your China business pain points are there to help China leaders, managers, and entrepreneurs with the daily struggles they may be facing while setting up and operating in China. We look at corporate administrative battles such as tax planning, incorporation, accounting, human resource, and labor, as well as cultural and language nuances that may occur. I hope you enjoy the episode. Today, we're going to be looking at what is social insurance and housing fund. So we're going back really to the foundation of what it is. Social insurance and housing fund are two separate but closely related systems that serve as forms of social welfare for employees and are compulsory for both employers and employees. These systems help provide financial protection and support to workers in various aspects of their lives, including healthcare, retirement, and housing. In terms of social insurance, there are 5 key components that I want to make you aware of today. One is the basic pension insurance. This provides retirement benefits to eligible employees. Both employers and employees contribute to a fund, and the money is used to provide pension payments to retirees. The second is basic medical insurance. Now, this covers medical expenses for employees, including hospitalization, outpatient services, prescription drugs. It also includes maternity benefits and coverage for severe or chronic illnesses. In addition, you can also purchase supplemental medical insurance, which gives more benefits to the employees, like annual health checks. The third is unemployment insurance. This provides financial assistance to employees who become unemployed involuntarily. The fund helps them during their job search and may provide temporary income support as well. The fourth is work injury insurance. This covers employees for work-related injuries and illnesses. It provides compensation for medical treatment, disability, and death resulting from these accidents. The fifth one is maternity insurance, and this is specifically for female employees, but does also cater to male employees. And it covers the costs of childbirth as well as the maternity leave. Now, contributions to the social insurance programs are typically shared between employers and employees. The specific rates and rules can vary by location and are very different by location because it's based on the standard of living of that city. Employees are generally required to be enrolled in the social insurance programs, and in an ideal scenario, they will never have missing months. So even if they change jobs, they always want that the months where they weren't working is covered by the new employer. Housing fund, our housing fund, Provident Fund, is a savings program designed to help employees with housing-related expenses. Some of the key points related to this is savings for housing. So employees and employers contribute a percentage of the employee's salary to the housing fund. This money is set aside to help employees with housing expenses, such as purchasing a home, making mortgage payments, covering rent, etc. Withdrawals in relation to the housing fund. So employees can withdraw from their housing fund account to use for approved housing fund purposes. Withdrawal rules, however, vary from city to city, and you do have to apply for it. The money in the housing fund typically earns interest, which can further benefit employees' housing-related finances as well. Now, both social insurance and housing fund are managed by government authorities and are regulated at both the national and local levels. The specific rules and contribution rates will vary. So I just want to highlight that it is not the same. And this is where when companies are budgeting for their China operations, they forget to look at what are their city-related social insurance benefits for their employees, because it can really cause a disruption in your budget if you don't check this carefully. In addition to that, if you have employees that are located outside of the city of where you are established, you will run into difficulties in terms of the social insurance and housing fund, where that employee wants to receive it, etc. So make sure you are checking where your company is, where your employees are based, etc. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode and you'd like to help support the podcast, please share it with others, post about it on social media, or leave a rating and review. Can Woodburn help you? I am offering a free 30-minute call where we discuss the obstacles you are encountering on your China business journey and how we can help accelerate your success. The link to my diary is in the show notes, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.